Do you ever have programs or apps that freeze up in Windows 11 and you just want to close them or end that task? Well, Windows 11 has a feature that's not on by default called End Task, and you right click on the app or program at the bottom and you can select End Task and it'll close it. It's really quite simple to turn on. Today we're going to show you how to do that, so no fluff, just the stuff. Let's dive right into it. All right, so here we are in Windows 11 and we'll head down to the bottom here, and if I right click on any of my apps or programs down here, you can see that there's no End Task option that comes up in the little menu. So what we're going to do, we'll turn that on. So we need to load up our settings here in Windows 11. I find the easiest way to do that is to go to your start menu and right click on it rather than left click. So we're going to right click and you'll see the settings option right here. You can go ahead and select that, and that will load up your main Windows settings. Now over on the left hand side, you're going to see a whole bunch of different options. We're looking for the system option, and under system here you can scroll down in the middle and we're looking for advanced right here. So if you go ahead and select that, it's going to give us our advanced options. And right here in advanced, right at the top, it says End Task. So enable End Task in Taskbar by right click, and there's a little toggle switch off to the right. So go ahead and turn that on. So it's blue, and we'll close this. And now watch what happens when we go down to that same Chrome tab and right click on it. We have a End Task option here at the bottom, which will just end and close that out right away. And really it's that simple to turn on End Task and give you a great new feature here in Windows 11. So I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.